This civilization once ruled all of the universe. They surpassed the speed of light, bent time and space to their will, and reached the height of prosperity across every place and every age. And yet, they did not stop there. Even at the cost of losing everything, they chose to go higher. The inevitable lifespan of this universe. The limits imposed by its laws of physics. To go beyond them all. This may be the inevitable endpoint of civilization's evolution. Escape from the universe itself. And somehow, they succeeded. They went beyond the framework of this universe and moved on to the next stage. But there was a price. The most powerful principle governing this universe is non-contradiction. The universe does not allow any contradictions within itself. For something inside this universe to go outside it, from the universe's point of view, that is nothing less than information suddenly disappearing. And so, it would be rejected as a paradox. So to break that rule, or perhaps to obey it, they had to erase their own past from this universe. They rewrote the past. The influence they had on the cosmos. The fact that they had been born within it. All of it had to be removed from the history of this universe. They made it so that they had never been inside this universe to begin with, to avoid contradiction within the universe. In physical terms, they tore a hole in the universe, passed through it, and at the same moment, sealed that hole with a fabricated past, so that within this universe, it would be as though nothing had happened. They severed their connection to this universe, like cutting an umbilical cord. That was the condition for being born into the world beyond. And so, from within this universe, their civilization came to seem as though it had never existed. There is no way for us to find them. Because they are no longer beings of this universe. They are not in its future. They are not in its past. We cannot meet them, unless we too leave this universe behind. And if that is true, then perhaps this has already happened countless times. Perhaps civilizations have emerged, reached their peak, and departed from this universe again and again. It is only that from within this universe, those events have already been erased. Perhaps the universe is only the first stage of the game. And perhaps the reason we cannot find aliens is not because none are there, but because they have already moved on. From the birth of life, to the rise of civilization, to whatever comes next, perhaps remaining in this universe is only a brief phase. Like leaving a womb. Like hatching from an egg. To depart from this universe and move outward. That may be the natural next step for intelligent beings. And perhaps, one day, it will be our path as well.